Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we've got something truly exceptional for all you gamers and content creators out there. We're diving into the world of game capture with the Elgato Game Capture HD60X, widely regarded as the best capture card for streaming on the market. Stick around as we explore its outstanding features, design, and why it's an absolute must-have for your setup. The Elgato Game Capture HD60X boasts an impressive set of features that sets it apart from the competition. First and foremost, it delivers stunning Full HD video at a silky smooth 60 frames per second. Whether you're recording your epic gaming sessions or live streaming your gameplay, this card ensures impeccable video quality, capturing every detail with precision. But what really makes the HD60X shine is its low-latency technology, providing near-instant feedback between your gameplay and what you see on your recording software. This is a game-changer for streamers, as it enables you to interact with your audience in real time without missing a beat. When it comes to design, the HD60X doesn't disappoint. It features a sleek and compact form factor, making it a seamless addition to your gaming rig. Plus, it connects effortlessly via USB 3.0, ensuring lightning-fast data transfer and, more importantly, power supply. No need for extra adapters or cables cluttering up your workspace. The name Elgato has become synonymous with top-notch quality in the world of game capture, and the HD60X lives up to that reputation. With its crisp and vibrant video quality, you can showcase your gaming prowess with unparalleled clarity. Your viewers will appreciate the level of detail and immersion your content provides. The HD60X is incredibly versatile, compatible with various platforms, including PC, Mac, PS5, PS4 Pro, Xbox Series X, and Xbox One XS. Whether you're a PC gamer or console enthusiast, this capture card has you covered. It seamlessly integrates with popular streaming software like OBS, Streamlabs, vMix, and more, allowing you to broadcast to platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook Gaming. In conclusion, the Elgato Game Capture HD60X is hands down the best capture card for streaming. Offering outstanding video quality, low latency, and broad compatibility. Whether you're an aspiring streamer or a seasoned content creator, this device will elevate your content to the next level. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your gaming and streaming experience with the Elgato Game Capture HD60X. Make sure to check the links in the description below to get your hands on this exceptional piece of gaming tech. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming, everyone!